Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 6 years. Friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. Friends, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you introduction to rational numbers. In this introduction to rational numbers, we are going to learn what are positive fractional numbers, what are negative fractional numbers, and what are rational numbers, and also comparing rational numbers. Let us learn one by one. First one, positive fractional numbers, negative fractional numbers, rational numbers. Before learning these topics, we have to discuss few numbers what we learnt in previous videos. Those are natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The numbers which are used to count things are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. Set of n is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and so on. Natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by the letter w. W is equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Next, integers. What are integers? All the positive, the set of all the positive and all the negative together with 0 are called integers. Integer z is equal to set of dash minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And also we can write this like 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 and so on. Integers are denoted by I also. This is the starting letter. We already know how to show integers on number line. Let us draw once again. On right hand side, positive. On left hand side, negative. One, two, 1, 2 and so on. This is the plus 1. 1, 2. This is the minus 1, minus 2 and so on. We are making this 0 to 1 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On left hand side also we are making 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have done this 0 to 1 10 parts. So we can write this 10 equal parts. 1 by 10. This is 1 by 10. 2 by 10. 3 by 10. 4 by 10. 5 by 10. Or we can write this 5 ones are 5 twos are 1 by 2 of 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, this 10 by 10. 10 by 10 nothing but 1. On left hand side also we can show like this, minus 1 by 10. This is minus 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 5 by 10. So minus 5 by 10 is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 6 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 9 by 10, minus 10 by 10. Minus 10 by 10 means so 10 ones are 10 ones are. So nothing but minus 1. So we understood on right hand side we have plus numbers. These are all are plus numbers, positive fractions. These all are positive fractional numbers. 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, dash. These all are etc. positive fractional numbers. On left hand side we observe these all are negative sign. These all have negative sign. So these are called negative fractional numbers. Minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10 and dash. These are all are negative fractional numbers. Zero is neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. What are rational numbers? Once again, positive fractional numbers. The fractions which have positive sign, means plus sign, are called positive fractional numbers. What are negative fractional numbers? The fractions which have negative sign are called negative fractional numbers. Next, rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are a bigger collection of numbers which includes all integers, all positive fractional numbers and all negative fractional numbers. Once again, rational numbers. What are rational numbers? The rational numbers are a bigger collection of numbers which includes all integers, all positive fractional numbers and all negative fractional numbers. The rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q. And also we can define rational numbers. The numbers which can be the numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, Q not is equal to 0. Here Q not is equal to 0. P and Q are integers, but Q not is equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q. Comparing rational numbers. How to compare rational numbers? We already learnt few concepts about comparing numbers in fractions, but here we have rational numbers. Here we have negative numbers, negative fractional numbers, and positive fractional numbers. That's why we have to focus on negative fractional numbers and positive fractional numbers. Let us observe once again. Every positive fraction or positive number is always greater than a negative number or negative fractional number, or 0. A positive fractional number is always greater than negative fractional number, or 0. And also 0 is less than positive numbers. 0 is greater than negative numbers, negative fractional numbers also. Basing these rules, we can compare. Here one example. To compare fractions, we know already we have to make the fractions like fractions. To make like fractions, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of these numbers 4, 2, 3, 8. 2 2s, 2 1s, 3 2 4s. 2 1s, 1, 3, 2 2s. So here we have 2 co-primes. That's why we have to stop. LCM is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 3 is the 12, 12 2 is the 24. LCM is 24. Divide this. We have to write this as denominator. Divide this denominator with each and every fraction and multiply with the numerator. 24 by 4 into 1, 24 by 2 into 1, 24 by 3 into 5, 24 by 8 into 7. Here 4 ones are 4 6 are 6 ones are 6. So here we have to write this 6 down of this fraction only. Now this is minus sign. Write this minus sign as it is. 2 ones, 2 ones, 2 twos, 12. So here we have to write this 12. 3 ones, 3 eights, 8 fives are 40. Here we have to write this down of this 5 by 3. Now here we have minus sign. We take care of minus sign while writing these numbers. 8 ones, 8 3s, 3 7s are 21. So 21, 6 by 24 minus 12 by 24, 40 by 24 minus 21 by 24. So we made given fractions as like fractions. Now we can compare easily these fractions. So we can write first which is largest, which is smallest, or we can arrange this ascending order. To write ascending order, we have to take first smallest. These are smaller. In these two smallest, which is the smallest? The number which have largest numerator is the smaller. Minus 1 by 10, minus 3 by 10. Which is the smaller in this? This is the smaller. Minus 3 by 10 is the smaller, not minus 1 by 10. In this, minus 9 by 10, minus 1 by 10. Which is the smallest? Smaller. Minus 9 by 10 is the smaller. So like this minus 21 by 24 is the smallest one. Minus 21 by 24. Next, minus 12 by 24. Now in this 6 by 24, 40 by 24. So this is the ascending order. We can use this symbol also, less than symbol. So we can write this descending order easily. Friends, I think you understood each and everything what we learnt in this video. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. Friends, thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share it to your friends.